Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. We're going to go over perpetuities one more time, or in some cases, they're called consol bonds. What does that mean? What's the value of a 1-year, $1,000 consol bond with a 6% coupon? Today's interest rate is 9%. A very important special type of annuity is a perpetual annuity of perpetuity. A perpetuity is a stream of cash flows that continues forever. The classic example is the Consul bond, issued by the British government in the 19th century, which pays interest each year, stated face value of the bond, but have no maturity date. Another example, and perhaps a more relevant one today, is a share of preferred stock that pays a fixed cash dividend each period, usually quarterly, and never matures. A disturbing feature of any perpetual annuity is that you cannot compute the future value of its cash flow because it is infinite. Nevertheless, it has a perfectly well-defined and determinable present value. It might at first seem paradoxical that a series of cash flows that last forever can have a finite value today, but consider a perpetual stream of $100 per year. If the interest rate is 10% per year, how much is that perpetuity worth today? The answer is $1,000. To see why, consider how much money you would have to put into a bank account offering interest of 10% per year in order to be able to take out $100 every year forever. If you put in $1,000, then at the end of the first year, you would have $1,100. One could take out $100, leaving $1,000 for the second year. Certainly, if the interest rate remained 10% per year and one had the secret to youth in their back pocket, one could go on doing this forever. The general formula for this present value of a typical perpetuity is PV is equal to C divided by I, where C is the periodic payment and I is the interest rate, expressed as a decimal fraction. 6% Consul bond. Current interest rate, 9%. Bond, 1,000. Take 1,000 times 6 divided by 9. Well, C28 times 6, divide this by 9%. So 1,000 times 6 divided by 9, worth $667. That's it, perpetuities. Don't get caught in the weeds thinking it's something more complex. That's it. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching.